Now, people may say, oh, but he killed somebody. Understood. But the kid's in his 20s and he could try to do something in his 50s. And it wasn't, it wasn't the type of murder, like, it's not a serial killer. I'm not belittling. Someone died, someone got killed. It was bad. But
they all didn't have clean hands.
they didn't have clean hands. This kid looked like it was an isolated, big, huge mistake the kid made, and he might have a chance at 50 to get out if he's got his head on right. And if not, he doesn't. It's as simple as that. But that was us. That's how that case concluded. And it was a roller coaster for 4 or 5 years. And I think that you spoke to what this case was about, was the police work, right? I mean, this was handed to them on a platter, right?
Yeah, and the big thing is, you didn't need to do all that. You had what you could have went another way, and you had your evidence. You didn't have to go and be, superhero cop and try and get the confession. Right. You had it anyway. It's clearly who it was.
Broad daylight, no mask, with witnesses.
Right. So
what more do you need?
Why taint it with, listen, say what you want. Like the famous line from the was G.I. Jane, I think, when the colonel in the Navy base was like, hey, get rid of the reporters. Like, I'm more than happy to get rid of them, sir, but just chew a little fat off that Constitution for me first. So you can't get around it. Whether you like it or not, this is the set of rules that you give us to play by.
Right.
And if you don't want to play by them, then don't get in the game.
Right.
That's all there is to it. So we have to follow them. We have to do it. If we don't do our job, we get called out for it, and it gets a new trial down the road.
Yeah.
And we get in trouble.
And if you think that's fun, if you think that being a defense attorney is just some fun game, I had somebody say that to me one time. It pissed me off so bad. This guy's like a friend of mine. He said, oh, but what you do is kind of like a game, right? I'm like, a game? Like, what I do is the furthest thing from a game you could think of. A game.
Yeah.
Like, you think it's a game? When you know that you have to mount a defense, you can't lie. You have to mount it. If this guy would have said to me, I did this, we can't put him on the stand. People don't understand that.
Still defend him, though.
People can't put him on. We cannot put. It's called suborning perjury. So I cannot put someone on the stand who's told me he did not. If he said I killed this guy, I can't put him on there to say self-defense. I can't put him on there. I mean, self-defense, maybe. Yeah, that's different. But not. I didn't do it. He can't. I can't. If I know information, I'm not allowed to bring lies out on a guy. That's why for us, sometimes we don't. You don't need to know all this stuff right now, right? You want to see what defenses are there and what's available. But people say lawyers just lying. We're not lying. We point out holes in cases. You don't want us to have something to talk about? Don't point out. Don't leave holes. It's that simple. Right?
You're innocent until proven guilty. That's the key part of it. They have to prove you guilty. We didn't make the rules. We didn't come up with that. People much older than us did that. And that's what we go by. That's the bottom line. So we have to work with that. And that's what we do.